name is Sandeep and welcome you all to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about IBPS PO notification. So in this, here in second line only, IBPS clearly mentioned that the tentative date is about October to November, but in detail phase they already mentioned the exam date. In this slide, we will basically discuss about the exam date, participating banks, age criteria, qualification requirement, pattern of the exam, social distancing norms, that is important one, and about the items which are not permitted in the examination room. Then we will discuss about the last cutoff. I will also share study link with you. Registration is started from today onwards, and that is 5th of August, and ending date is 26th August. Okay, examination dates are 3rd, 10th and 11th of October. Okay, but this is basically the tentative date, not the exact date. Okay, as we have seen in first slide of the IBPS notification. Tentative date for main exam is November 28, and after clearing the main exam you have to face interview session, and interview is on January 2021. Now we will discuss about the participating banks. Okay, so total 11 banks are there in the list, but few banks like Bank of Baroda, then Central Bank of India, Indian Overseas Bank. From this bank, this year there are no vacancies. Few banks not reported the vacancy list, but in future they will definitely release the vacancy detail. Like Bank of Maharashtra, while releasing of notification, there was no updation regarding vacancies in Bank of Maharashtra, but today evening they have released 250 seats. Before it was 1100 plus. That means in updated notification they have also mentioned 250 seats for Bank of Maharashtra. I will also provide the link so that you can easily download the PDF for updated notification. So now vacancies are 1417, but banks like Canara and PNB, like last year around 700 plus vacancies are there in each banks. So definitely, in my opinion, the vacancy list will be around 3000 to 3200. This part is also important while you apply the registration form. You have to select banks from this list. So preference will be definitely given to the banks which have higher vacancies. Now, what is the age criteria? Your age must be in between 20 to 30. Okay, and starting date and end date is given in the notification. Okay, age relaxation is there, like SC/ST will get 5-year relaxation, OBC will get 3-year relaxation. Then what is educational qualification required for the bank PO examination? So basic requirement is a degree. The candidate must possess the valid mark sheet. Okay, and in notes they have clearly mentioned that the final result should have been declared on or before the date 26th August. Now about the examination pattern. So basically 3 phases are there. For prelims, English, Quant and reasoning, and that too with individual timing. That means we have 20 minutes for each subject. Okay, and one thing is that prelims exam is just for qualifying. Then second part is main exam. If you qualify prelim exam, then you can fight for main exam, and main exam basically consists of reasoning along with computer aptitude, general awareness, economy, banking. Okay, that is basically last 6 to 8 month details of general awareness, economy, banking. Then the next subject is English, and after that DI and data interpretation is there. So arithmetic question will not be there in main exam. Okay, after this for subject there is also one descriptive paper, that is basically letter writing and essay. Okay, so 2 questions are there. You have to using your keyboard have to enter the keywords for essay and letter writing. Okay, one important thing is in main exam also the each topic have individual timing. That means 3 hours for objective based question, then 30 minutes for descriptive type question. So total 3.5 hour examination is there. After clearing the main exam, you have to go through interview section. So basically interview is of 100 marks. The score will be divided in 80% from main exam and 20% from your interview score. For this the fee structure is 175 rupees for SC/ST and 850 for general and OBC. Also one important thing is at the time of interview you have to provide valid documentation. Then the most important thing is social distancing norm related queries. So basically due to COVID issues there are few changes is there in notification. So there may be different reporting time, like morning schedule is 11 a.m. but this time the reporting time may also be vary from person to person. So like your examination time will be same, but reporting time can be vary, like it can be 9:30 to 10 or 10:15. It's depend on the number of candidates. Then the important and compulsory thing is wearing mask is compulsory. Then you have to bring your own gloves. You have to also bring water bottle, and that too transparent water bottle. Okay, then you have to carry your own hand sanitizer, ball pen, then admit card and your ID proof. If candidate is using scribe, then both the candidate and scribe also required to wear N95 mask. Also the important thing is in your mobile you have to install Arogya Setu app in your mobile. There may be chance like a few candidates may not have mobile smartphones, so they have to fill this self-declaration form and submit this to examination hall. Okay. If you have mobile, you have to bring your mobile, and in examination center they will check for the same, and only then they will permit you to enter the examination hall. This time there is no fingerprinting access, only registration is done through photo capturing. Normally in exam center they will provide one rough sheet at the beginning of exam, and but this time they will provide you a set of 3 to 4 rough sheet, and you can only use that much rough sheet during your examination. You cannot ask for additional rough sheet. After the exam you have to drop your call letter and rough sheet in a particular box. Also in IBPS PO notification they have clearly mentioned few items which are not allowed in the examination center: handbags, hairpin, hairband, belt. You can download your call letter from www.ibps.in. We will also provide this in our description box. Okay. The important thing is, if you are using scribe, then call letter for scribe is also there. So you have to remember this thing. You and your scribe both should be allowed in the examination hall along with call letter. Now this was the last year cutoff of IBPS PO, and that is in preliminary phase. So out of 100, around 60 to 65 is safer zone. This is the last year PO mains cutoff and the final cutoff after interview. So final cutoff will consist of mains and interview level exam. This is my Telegram group, and we are regularly conducting quiz related to exam. You can join this group for regular practice session. All the best. Thank you.